Hey everybody, welcome to this video on Hailuo AI, a cutting-edge multimodal large language model for cinematic and professional video generation with over 3 billion interactions every day with outstanding effects and precise word recognition. This is Zach, and I will be your guide through the outstanding features of Hailuo AI in just a few minutes. As you log in with a Google or Apple account, navigate to the Create Video section on the left side of the interface to start generating content. The Image to Video feature allows you to transform a still image into a dynamic and stunning video. Simply drag and drop your chosen image and select the appropriate AI algorithm model from the options at the bottom. Choose the I2V1 model to generate a video starting from the image taken as reference and a prompt description as guidance for subject, environment, and mood, coherent with the image you use. As you launch the generation, this appears in progress in the queue on the right side. With Hailuo AI, you can launch up to 3 video generations simultaneously, which can be extended to 5 according to your subscription plan. Generated videos may include a small watermark in a corner, but with no reduced quality with respect to videos generated with subscriptions. At the bottom, you can relaunch the generations with the same options, or choose to download it, share it, or post it. Hailuo AI also includes loads of cinematic effects that, by adding specific prompts, apply magic hats, kung fu fights, or other incredible dynamic motions to your video. Make sure to enable automatic AI improvement to enhance your prompts during the generation and get the best AI output. Switch to a I2V1 live model for a more stable and refined output than the I2V1. Perfect to transform static art and 2D illustrations into dynamic masterpieces, adapting to any kind of art and style. Hailuo AI now comes with a tool called I2V1 Director, which allows you to control animations with precise camera movements seamlessly. In the prompt form, describe in detail how the camera should move while defining the video content. Or choose the perfect motion directly by clicking on the camera icon. Here, select between several pre-made cinematic shots close to Hollywood films with stunning visuals. You can introduce any character with debut, or move the camera for a right circling effect, perform a professional tilt, or show off scenic shots for more impressive results. Switch to Free Selection above to apply one or multiple camera movements as you like, such as pan, zoom, tilt, up to more complex movements, shakiness or camera tracking of a subject. You can apply up to 3 of them at the same time that you can combine flawlessly together. Besides video generations from images, you can select text to video with the T2V1 model to generate videos from scratch, with the maximum creativity from AI supported by a high-level keyword comprehension from prompts. Feel free to generate videos of animals, characters, fantastic creatures, or incredible fantasy landscapes with incredible support of 2,000 total keywords instead of the usual 500. Below, you can switch to the T2V1 Director model for a better control on camera movements that are applied where they are placed in the prompt description. With this model, you can apply the same cinematic shots and movements as seen for the Image to Video Director model. If you want to build videos casting your own character, you can switch to subject reference using the S2V1 model. This model takes your character to generate a video fully consistent with it, allowing you full control over facial details and using less than 1% of computational efforts. You can add a reference image representing your character and crop it if necessary. Then describe how to animate the character, including actions, emotions, and environment as you like most. You can also apply several effects to get closer to cinematic style. The result is a real-like video hosting your character with incredible facial details and great expressions of emotion with hair in line with a described environment. Hailuo AI can now generate images from given text prompts with Create Image on the right. These image generations can be very useful to get inspired and be creative with the power of AI, obtaining media to use as reference for your next videos or crafting new characters to create your next stories. Describe what you want to generate using the Image 1 model, the aspect ratio you want to use at the bottom, and the number of image variations you want to generate to choose for your next creation. Hailuo AI is available under a flexible monthly or yearly subscription plan with bonus credits for daily logins. Plus, new users get 1,000 bonus credits as they log in, which are enough to generate 30 videos for free. With a standard plan, you can generate up to 130 videos per month, while with the unlimited plan, you can generate videos with no limits. Both plans come with no watermark applied on your videos. These features make Hailuo AI a very powerful and versatile tool for creative professionals looking for cinematic effects and real-like videos. Make sure to catch our video description to learn more about Hailuo AI for your future projects and enjoy exploring the full potential of Hailuo AI in your creative projects.